Queen of the Damned. Released 2002, directed by Michael Reimer Moore. Queen of the Damned, 143 of 291. The greatest soundtracks of all time, 24 of 31. The best movies about Generation Z so far, 41 of 52. The most woke movies of all time. The Matrix Reloaded. Released 2003, directed by Andy Wachowski, Lana Wachowski Moore. The Matrix Reloaded, 33 Things You Didn't Know About the Matrix Trilogy, 164 of 234. The best psychological thrillers of all time, 344 of 553. The greatest epic movies ever made. Honey. Gang of Roses. Framing John DeLorean. Sparkle. Aaliyah, So Much More Than a Woman. Aaliyah, So Much More Than a Woman. Romeo Must Die. Freakonomics. Supersized Me Too, Holy Chicken. Supersized Me Too, Holy Chicken. American Factory. The Great Hack. Released 2019, directed by Karim Amer Jahanauchin.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.